Hello, how's it going? Today I'm doing a try it on haul of a bunch of Abercrombie stuff. So it's going to be mainly jeans, a couple pairs of shorts, and a few loungewear items. So I'm gonna share those with you. If you're new, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video. Decided to stay a while. Don't mind me, I'm like sweating and greasy now because I have been doing a lot of try it on hauls today. And it's getting a little hot in here. So let's just jump right into the try it on haul of new stuff I got at Abercrombie. Okay, we're trying on some Abercrombie stuff now. This is like a little lounge long line bra, but I just have my black bra underneath it, so don't mind that. Super cute. It's like this pretty wine color. I got this in a size small. Really love it. It's super soft and fuzzy. So I don't know if it's like something I would necessarily wear not in loungy wear. And then these shorts are so cute. These are the Mom high-rise short Curve Love in a size 26. They're very similar to the Target shorts that I tried on in another haul. I feel like these ones are just a tiny bit shorter. The other ones from Target have like a little bit more of like they're a little longer right here. But I love the color, love the distressing. They're not particularly stretchy. So it's like you kind of, I'm a pretty solid 26 in Abercrombie jeans and their shorts. So I think these are super cute. I love this. I have some wide leg pants I'll show you with this. I want to get every color of these and then their wide leg pants because they're so cozy, so cute. So here's the first few items. All right, we're keeping with the same top here. These are some skinny jeans. I'm still gonna rock skinny jeans because, I mean, come on. These are called the Super Skinny Ankle High Rise, 26 short. Very stretchy. And I kind of wanted some that didn't have a ton of distressing on them, but they're very cute. High rise. I love where they hit me because I'm short. I'm like 5'1". So to have good ones that are to have them hit in a good spot. They make the butt look super cute. Really cute. These are also Curve Love. I'm finding I like the Curve Love the most. Whew, you guys, trying on clothes and I just scarfed down a bagel. It's a lot of work. Anyways, I love these so much. So Ted got all of this stuff, pretty much most of it. Ted got me a couple things I got when I went in the other day, but when I was in El Dorado Hills, I stopped by Roseville and picked some stuff up. But these are super cute. Love them. I don't feel like they have like a weird long crotch, which sometimes the American Eagle jeans would give me. But yeah, I really like these ones. Super cute. I love where they hit me. That's the problem is I have to get the extra short from American Eagle in order for them to hit me in a good spot, but just the regular short in Abercrombie fit me really nicely. Okay, I have same shirt on. So this is the same collection. It's like this really soft material you can see. It's really nice. So these are the wide leg pants in extra small. I want to get these in every color. They're so cute. Oh, I love these. They hit perfect on me. I got the Skims pants. What a waste of money, man. Those are the most unflattering things I've ever purchased. The pants are a good 12 inches too long. Not exaggerating. 12 inches too long. So they just like a pile on the floor. Then it's super thick here. It makes me look like I have the biggest fupa ever. And the shorts are incredibly unflattering, but these are very, very cute. I want all the colors. I think they're adorable and I love them. Okay, I'm also a sucker for their sweatpants. I have some dark brown ones that I bought this summer, but or last summer, these are just the tan drawstring so you can make them tighter. Love the pockets. They're super cute. I love where they hit on me. These are an extra small. The butt, they're just so cute. So these are some of my favorite sweatpants. Incredibly soft. I want them in every color. I could get rid of all my other sweatpants and just keep these ones. So cute. And they're just like this really nice neutral cream color. Okay, I just put on this shirt from Target because I didn't have any other shirts to show. But these are the same shorts I showed you, but in black. I love the little slit. These ones feel a little bit looser, solid 26. And I just think they're really cute. Longer. I like that they're longer. I don't need booty shorts at my age. You can see they're definitely longer. I think these are the same. The 4-inch mom short, yeah. Super cute. I could, I don't know if I'd go down in a size. I like the way they fit. So those are the shorts. The rest I think are all pants. Okay, same shirt for all the rest of these. These are called the ankle straight, ultra straight ankle high rise. I got them in a 26. They're pretty snug. These are the Curve Love ones too, but I feel like they are a bit snug there. So, but there is room. I mean, if you have a booty, there's room for a booty back there, which is nice. So if you tend to have a problem with like having a big booty and lots of fabric in the back, I don't think you'll have them with these, but I like them. Minimal distressing. They look super cute with boots. Let me grab my boots and show you. Okay, this hat is also part of it. Ted got me this super cute hat. I was wearing it on my Instagram. If you haven't seen it, Shades of Cassie. Shameless plug. Shameless plug? I don't know. Yeah, I guess it's called shameless plug. So it's just super cute with boots. Not necessarily that I'd wear them with these ones, but also they're not zipped. But just super cute. I love these jeans. You can definitely dress them up or wear them down. So I will make sure I link all of these down below. Okay, these ones are called the Skinny High Rise, Curve Love. I love these ones. They're probably one of my most worn ones. Love the distressing. Super cute, size 26. The butt looks cute on them. These are super cute with tennis shoes, super cute with boots, high heel boots. Really, really cute. So I love the wash. This is probably one of my favorite washes. Do you see all the Target stuff that I just tried on? And I just feel like the placement of all the rips are like in the perfect spot. Okay, so these ones were like a collaboration with one of their bloggers. I think her name's Kathleen. These ones are super cute. They are more of like a tapered skinny jean versus like a jegging. And I love the distressing. The wash of these are super cute. I've worn these so many times. I just got them for my birthday. Ted gave them to me a few days early, but just in like the week or two I've had them, I've worn them so much. Super cute. So I'll link these ones. I think they're just like their skinny high rise, and it was in a collaboration with a girl named Kathleen. Aren't they cute? Love these ones so much. And I would say they're like not the highest rise. Here's my belly button, but they're a decent rise. So super cute. All right, these ones are called the Mom High Rise. These ones are more of like an acid wash, which I think are super cute. All of these are a size 26. The butt looks super cute. I like it because I don't feel like there's too much fabric. Sometimes mom jeans look real puffy right here, but I think they're super cute. I wear these ones a lot too. The acid wash ones to me look super cute with the white boots or like white tennis shoes. I just think they're super fun. So I love these ones. Not stretchy. So if you want a more loose fit, again, these are a size 2 or a 26, which I'm a pretty standard size 2. You might want to go up if you want it more relaxed, but this is fine. They're not the most comfortable. They're definitely more stiffer denim as far as like not having a lot of stretch, but they're so cute. All right, and these ones are called the Ankle Straight Ultra High Rise. Love this black. This one's definitely gonna suck you in. Sucks in the stomach. Cute on the butt, super cute. Love these. They have a little stretch to them. Not as stiff as the mom jeans were, but they're so cute. I think they're so flattering. They kind of snatch you in here. I don't have really a waist, so I kind of like when they snatch this part in without really giving you like a muffin top on top. So these ones are really cute. And again, the ankle ones like hit me perfectly. I really like these ones. And these are a 26 short. And I think they are too darn cute. These are ones I picked up in person, and I am a big fan. I'm like really obsessed with the brown and black too. I think that looks super cute. So that was the last pair of jeans. I hope you guys enjoyed this try it on haul, and I'll link everything down below. All of it was picked up within the last couple weeks, so you should be able to still get it all. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.